Just got a package in the mail. It's the Andis Master Limited Edition, copper one, and I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. So I'm at the shop right now, and I'm gonna do this unboxing real quick to show you guys what's inside and how it looks. So let's open it up. Comes in this box. Got the silhouette of the clipper. Let's open it up. When you open it, you got the master right there. Take it out. And that's it. That's the clipper right there. It has the copper edition, so it's brown, just like a penny. Got the black blade, which looks real good. Black lever. Definitely a beautiful clipper. And of course, just like any wireless master, you get the charging base, which this one is all black. And of course, then the limited edition ones, you also get the fade blade straight from Andis, and you get a new cam follower as well. Get the Andis blades or guards as well. And then for the fade blade, you get a cam follower, but also they give you extra cam follower as well. So that's a good thing. And for $370, we should get all of this stuff, because it's an expensive clipper, but this is the clipper I've been using since I first started, so I can't put it down. I've tried the seniors. I like them, but always feel at home with the masters. So now I'm gonna show you guys a sound difference between the chrome cordless masters and the new copper limited edition. So we'll start with the chrome. Everybody had the same complaint with these. They're loud, way too loud. With the copper ones, I think they fixed the problem. Way quieter than these. Let's turn these ones on again. So that's the sound test. So I've had problems with these. I'm hoping they fix the problem with these. The price point is way different, so I'm guessing that they put more quality into this machine than they did with this one, but we'll see. I'm gonna cut with it for a few months, and if you guys like this video, I'll make an update on how it cuts, and I'll let you know how it's been that whole time. Oh, I can show you the difference in the charging bases too. This is the copper one, this is the chrome one. So it's just all black, and then the Andis sign is copper. So it's pretty cool. But all right, that's it with the video. See you guys next time.